This will be an unboxing of the OnePlus 7 Pro along with the Kevlar case here, as you can see. So this is the package, OnePlus 7 Pro. As you can see, take a look around. Still wrapped in the plastic. So let's go ahead and just get started. And what does it say here? OnePlus community, you can pause the video if you want to read that. Put that to the side. And let's go ahead and just slide this open. OnePlus 7 Pro, as you can see. Put the lid to the side and we are greeted with this. Love the red color. OnePlus, and in here I think it's a clear case. And yep, you get a clear case, which I love how OnePlus does that. Just your simple clear TPU case. And there is a dot matrix pattern on the inside, so you don't get that rainbow effect. Put that to the side, and then here you get your pamphlets and stuff. Invitation letter. It says open right there. Let's, what is this? Let's check it out. And I'm gonna flip this over, and then it says friend, and you can read that if you can see. Okay, put that to the side, and in here is just more documentation. SIM ejection tool. That's a interesting little figure right there, that drawing. And never settle, of course. Go beyond, yeah, this is like the poster, right? Yeah, go beyond speed, as you can see, never settle, OnePlus, and schematic of the device. Put that to the side, put all this to the side, and then this is the phone. Whoa, never settle. Optical in-display fingerprint scanner right there, as you can see. All right, let's, no more messing around. Let's just check out the phone. And we don't need this. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and put this somewhere. And look at that blue colorway. Woo! Wow. Look at that shimmer effect. Nice. Very nice. OnePlus branding on the bottom. OnePlus. Similar to how Galaxy does it. Triple camera setup in the back. Got your flash right there. Let's see, on this side you have your power button. This is your slider. And then this is your volume rocker. And let's see, metal frame all around. On the bottom, USB Type-C. This is your SIM tray, speaker, microphone. And on top, microphone. And this is the pop-up camera. Up front, this is a curved display now. 6.67-inch display. Speaker grill on top. And the bottom is totally clean down here. This device has a little bit of weight to it, I'm noticing. It's a good weight. Very nice. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Hopefully it has power. It does. OnePlus, powered by Android. Put the phone to the side for now, and let's see what else we get in here. And in the box, let's see. This is, okay, a little cover, and oh man, look at the size of this power brick. Warp charge, OnePlus. Wow, this is a huge brick. There you go, warp charge and power supply unit. And you can pause the video if you want to read the specs. Put that to the side, and then this is the USB cable. Okay. And here we go. In red, and I believe this is USB Type-C, if I can get it out. Can I get it out? Oh, here it is, duh. Screw it. See, I wanted to preserve the packaging though, but it's all right. All right, put all that to the side, and then here it is. OnePlus 7 Pro. Hi there, English United States, start. Let's set this bad boy up. OnePlus terms and conditions. Well, I have to agree, right? I accept, sure. User experience program, nah. System stability program, nah. Push notifications, nah. Connect to mobile network, skip the mobile network. We'll connect to Wi-Fi though. And I'm gonna go ahead and choose my Wi-Fi and enter my password. Checking for updates. This may take a few minutes. Installing updates. All right. Copy apps and data. Not gonna copy anything. I want a clean start with this phone. Checking info. And then we're gonna skip the sign in stuff for now as well. I'm gonna skip this. I gotta say though, right off the bat, not having a notch or a punch hole cutout or any interruption in the display, this looks pretty cool. This is just basically all display, minimal bezel, a little bit of a chin on the bottom, but not too bad. Very nice. I'm gonna skip all this stuff except how to use the fingerprint. Okay, let's set up a fingerprint right now. And then we'll just put a bunch of zeros here so everybody can get in my phone, confirm that. And then fingerprint setup. So you can see the scanner lights up. This is an optical scanner, and let's go. Register my thumb. And then edge input. Now the edges of my thumb. Fingerprint added. Very nice. Next, adding finishing touches. And screen off gestures, we'll figure that out later. Just want to get into the phone. Screen calibration, we have vivid, natural, and advanced. That's interesting. Here you can customize how you want your screen to look, but this is an OLED display. We're gonna go vivid because I like me some saturation. Next. And then the font, Roboto, and a OnePlus Slate. Let's go with the OnePlus Slate since this is OnePlus. Next. And we are in. Allow one punch launcher. Yeah, allow it, sure. And then looks like we have some pop-ups here. OnePlus switch, we're gonna get that off and then finish setting it up. Okay, we're gonna swipe this or just ignore that for now. Update now, system update. Already have an update, very nice. We'll do the update later. Right now, I just wanna check out the phone real quick. Let's go into settings right now and check the Android. We're gonna go to About Phone. And as you can see, Android version 9, that's the build number right there. And let's go ahead and check out the storage. This is the 8GB of RAM, 256 gig model. And out of the box, you're using about, now we'll just run up to 20 gigs used of the 256 gigs. So you have around 235, 236 free out of the box, which is a good amount of storage. Very nice. OnePlus 7 Pro now has dual speakers with Dolby Atmos. So let's check that out right meow. So I pulled up the song on YouTube. This is the background music that you always hear on my speed test videos. Let's go ahead and check out the speakers of this device. There's the volume level. Put it next to the mic. And I'd have to say, first impressions is that this sounds overall pretty good. There is sound coming out of the bottom speaker right here and on the earpiece. So you do get the stereo sound now. Now, yeah, it would have been a little bit better if it's front facing, but you have your side mounted and front facing option here, which is not bad. This is similar to the S10 Plus and the S10, I have to say. Having dual speakers now on a OnePlus device, very nice. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the camera real fast. I'm gonna open the camera right meow, and I'm gonna deny that real quick. And here we go. There are 3 lenses here. Go ahead and take a picture of whatever real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture of this stuff in front of me. And I'm gonna take some other pictures. Give me a sec. Alright, this is video from the OnePlus 7 Pro. This is being filmed in 4K at 60 frames per second. just a quick video here, rear facing camera. Let me know if the quality, I'm outside, it's kind of windy right now, so let me know if you can hear my voice clearly. There's a lot of wind noise, etc. Now I can do more extensive tests of the camera versus Galaxy S10 Plus, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR, Huawei P30 Pro, etc. So let me know in the comments below which phone you want me to pit the OnePlus 7 Pro up against. Speed tests, camera tests, etc. So here we go, quick 4K 30 FPS sample from the OnePlus 7 Pro. Let me know in the comments what you think. So let's go ahead and test out the fingerprint scanner right now, and let's go. Nice and quick. Ooh, that is fast. Look at that. Just tap it. Boom. Well, there you go. Gotta go like that, and then boom. Now, will it work with the display completely off, similar to the Galaxy S10 Plus? If I just press in this area, I don't think it works. So you have to tap the screen and then go like that, then it works. All right, that's cool, very fast. Check out the case that comes with the phone. Let's see, this one right here, the carbon fiber that I also ordered from OnePlus. So let's check this one out real quick. I'm gonna open this, if I can open it, right. Let's tape this down here. So let's make a cut and then we'll check this one out as well. And here we go. So you got that Kevlar pattern on the inside as well. OnePlus branding, big cutoff for your triple camera setup, cutoff for your slider, and raise button here for the power, raise button here for the volume rocker, cutouts, etc. All right, phone slides right in. There we go. And I'm gonna turn that off, and ooh, that button, nice and clicky. We'll go ahead and test out the volume rocker. Nice and clicky as well. It's what I expect from the official OnePlus case. Has a nice non-slippery feel to it. I don't think you'll get any fingerprints with this case. Feels really good. And then we'll go ahead and check out the front lip. And there's not really much of a front lip actually. I would be very careful placing this screen down on a flat surface. Check it out from the back. You can see the nebula blue through the case there a little bit. Looks cool back here. Very nice. And then one more thing before I forget, let's go ahead and have a look at open the camera again, the front facing camera. I just want to check out the pop-up here, and obviously it's in a case, so you have a cutout there. So this should work. This case is from OnePlus, so let's check it out. And there it is. Look at that. Works right through the case. I love it. OnePlus 7 Pro, OnePlus 6T. Quick comparison. 7 Pro is a little bit larger overall, a little bit longer. I think it's the same thickness, but take a look for yourself. From the front, this one has the bigger display, obviously. There we go. So let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with the OnePlus 7 Pro. Like I said, speed tests, camera tests, etc. versus Galaxy S10 Plus, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR, Huawei P30 Pro, and other devices, Xiaomi Mi 9, etc. OnePlus 7 Pro, got it in my hands. And I gotta say, this blue colorway is very nice. Thanks for watching. Peace out.